A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. I go call the video part 1 of part 2. And if nobody know the lady or the wife, reach out to me, 876-277-3254. I would love to hear her side of the story. But anyway, I want to listen the story. The brother from Canada, when he meet a lady from Jamaica, not girl, lady from Jamaica, and how things turn from good to sour as she get her paper. Make this be a lesson for all I know overseas. I know enough people not like me because they say I burn out the man them at Jamaica. I make people look down upon me. I make nobody look down upon nobody. All these stories are original, none of fake. Real life issues, things that people go through, and that is why we now stop spread awareness. Like up a video, make a drive, make a listen.
Jamaica.
Right,
then
yeah.
I get a farmer ticket and I travel farmer, right?
Okay, yeah, that better now. Ready?
Then my friend them, my sister them have a friend that, get me married and get me a stay here.
Right. Good.
Yeah, so me there in the place I go and hustle and do everything and work,
Right.
So so the relationship then is serious.
So from the beginning, it want to go in it as in a serious, right?
Yeah, that one is not serious.
All right, good.
So we get divorced. Now when we get divorced, you understand? All right. Find myself a woman like over here. Like I'm telling you the whole story now. I find myself a woman over here. Like she didn't have a PR card, but she was like, like going to school,
Right.
So she hold on to me, like, yeah, she meet me and me meet her and we live in the same apartment. Like she live in a next door me then, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we start talking and stuff until she asked me if we move in and I tell her if we move in my room and she said, boy, enough here, more cleaner, which is truth.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? So me move in with her.
Mm-hmm.
Give up my little part and move in with her, say, all right, we're going to do a thing. But never know, say, I will she hold on to me that if they must send her back to Jamaica, I could get married to her.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I say?
Mm-hmm. So
that one didn't work out. That one, they just cut that one the shot. She teach me, me lose everything, me lose my bed, me lose me everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so me in the street.
Right.
So COVID come, bam, no. So you remember when COVID come about 2019, 2020, something like that?
Yeah.
So it's a job start, lay off people.
Right.
So me get lay off, so me there in a little quarters, because I get a little one room, because in them time you can't even get no apartment, because nobody know nobody at them place.
Mm-hmm.
So me get a little one room, a little man have a little one room and rent me the room. So me did a school on Facebook, so me I look somebody for talk to, you know what I mean?
Right.
School on Facebook, meet a girl from CLARENDON. Now I call no name. Meet a girl from CLARENDON, the place name Wadil, CLARENDON.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Anyway, talking to this girl, she have a YouTube channel to do here.
Mm-hmm.
By talking to her, she said, boy, me age too high. And she too young and she not really interested.
So you have what age? You have what age we talk about? So if you was then can have an idea what age is, honestly age over.
Yeah, because my age at that time when we meet her, I say me about 46, 45 them time there.
45, 46. And she was what, 21, 22?
No, she was like 25.
25. Okay, 20 years different.
24,
okay. Right. Mm-hmm.
So she said she's not too interested in that I rate there. So she turned me over to her sister.
Whoa. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
A businesswoman, this one.
She's going to meet her sister.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So her sister used to travel the farm work.
Mm-hmm.
So we meet her sister in the hotel and come up on the farm work and then stop at the hotel.
Wow. So
we start talk from there. So you see me I say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So till one at a time, I say, all right. I'm not even too interested. You know what I mean? Like, too interested because this woman is too far. And you know what I mean?
Right.
You kind of stop, call her and things. So she pressure my number. So tell me, I say, all right, I'm going to say, come call my family at US. I say, all right, this girl I call on my phone, where you think? And him say, answer her, man. And I say, all right, I'm going to answer her. You see me?
Mm.
So me answer her, and it stretch from this to relationship. You know what I mean? So me start, when me a man meet woman, when me meet woman, Me don't wait for a woman to ask me for things. You understand me?
Right.
Me stay around, me love her, and me interested in her, and she show me good vibes. So me start send my money go get her down there. You see me? Make sure, because she run a little shop, a little fall chicken farm, and you know what I mean?
Oh.
So me I defend her down there.
Right.
You see me?
Right.
Things are going good, she deal with me right.
Oh, okay.
Me I tell her, I say, watch her. Alright, when you come up, alright, I'm going to give back. From when we meet her, she didn't want to come over, come see her, and I tell her, I said, no. Me not depend on a quick relationship there. More you go back home to your daughter, because you have one daughter, so more you go back home to her, me take time to know you. You see me? So she take the time and she go back home. And we still continue to talk and talk and talk. So me I tell her, oh, me still like what me that want in my relationship. You see me what me I look for, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Me want comfort, brother. I know just only in a bed business me I did. Me want comfort, me want a friend, you know what I mean?
Right,
I'm alone live which part me there in Canada. Me have no family around me, so me I look a person for did it for me. You see me? So this woman promised me, say, what? Why you ask me can do that for you, man? Why you talk about man love it and nothing? So pitch that start cheer and pitch that start cheer and everything I go good. You see me?
Hey, so hold on, question. So she have a daughter, you say, in Jamaica. What happened to your daughter father?
The daughter father live in US.
Live in US.
I get this, you know. But I'm going to tell you from the beginning with the lady. So,
okay.
All right, now, she come back up now. She come back up on the farm right now. So, she introduced me to the daughter by calling her and me talk to the daughter. You know what I mean?
So the girl you do much differently from the sister. The mother where you talk to, the girl where you dating, where the other sister give you, she how much? Because you say one was 24. How old is the sister?
Okay, the sister is fat. She's 14 now, but at that time we meet her, she was about like 37.
All right, 37. Okay, so yeah, the age not so bad.
We meet the one on YouTube, which is about 25.
Right.
She introduced me to the sister. When I tell her at that time was about 37, so whatever.
Yeah, man, I understand that bit.
You know, so as she me talk to, so as she introduced me to fear daughter, which will be my stepdaughter now.
Okay. To me, you say something about farm work in the first part. Like
no, she used to go on farm work. That is the lady that I'm talking to. She used to travel farm work.
So through the way you pattern of the story, I thought that all of these, like you meet her up there and then you and her.
Up here, me really would have say meet her, but on phone.
On
in
phone.
The hotel she's here.
Okay, man. That's officer, man. Sometimes when people talk the story, guys, I'm going to come in, like, want to know thumbs up the video and share. Sometimes they might talk the story, but them not talk it with clarity. So people who watch, if you not talk with clarity, people are going to say, oh, you did say this, I know you said that. So when I say, in talk to her on phone, all when she come to Canada, I never meet her physically in person. So, that me get from it first part. So I'm going to continue. Because I know no phone always I say, me a butty and me not make him enter. But I just did want to clear up that. Alright guys, so I'm going to continue to this story. Watch it till the end and listen where this man have to go through over there. Over there in Canada. Thumbs up live. Come again.
Yeah man, me send her back home. So she do that period because she go back home like after cherry.
Mm-hmm.
So it was about in August, September them time that she go back home.
Mm-hmm.
You see me I say? Mm-hmm. So you know say all of them time there. Because she didn't want to come in and me tell her, I said, no, I want to know her.
Mm-hmm.
So all of them time they should go back down, so tell her no, so they might come back up again in a me.
Mm-hmm.
All of them time they should down there and things. So normally me and her talk, me and her daughter start talk. We get ship on phone, see me, them interviews me to mother, father. You know what I mean?
Mm.
Me not meet nobody in person yet, you know.
Yeah, you listen.
So, all right now, the other year when she come up now, at this time I go meet her now, because we organize up everything and say, all right, I go for her from the farm work.
Mm.
You see me? So I go for her from the farm work. Remember, you know, me I tell her from Jamaica, I say this woman have respect and manners. If me even tell her too bad what she not diss me, you know what I mean?
So while she was in Jamaica, you used to send money to take care of her?
Me said, me no make she spend $1. Me spend everything she said she want, me send the money.
Are you woman them I want from me show?
Me no make she spend $1. Even the daughter, me start sending her go school because the daddy no care about she.
Yeah, Papa Jesus.
When me meet her, Me can dip on the phone and hear she tell her daughter say she fi beg her daddy this and she decide that the phone and listen. And me say stop to them thing the man. You can't if a man have got him daughter, me think say him should have know say if he marry him daughter.
I wonder if she tell the daughter, man, she tell the daughter if it talks, so if you make a year and I know then look at Jamaican style still another day.
Well, at least me realize your truth still. Me realize your truth, the daddy really not really do nothing. I get to this.
Alright, go on talk still, yeah.
So anyway, now she come up and we go for her and the family. But I tell her everything when we stay at Jamaica, you know. Me tell her about what me make she know me tan.
When you go for her on the farm, the initial plan was fishy run off or just come visit you?
Yeah, fishy comes side and me run off and come beside me now.
Yeah, man. Some more you talk. Make you
man. So when we go for her now, I run off and come beside me now. Because that's what I talk about. I'm not going to marry her. You know what I mean?
Right. Good. Go on.
And me I spend all of my money, you know. Me not ask nobody for no help, you know. 2 job, 3 job. To make everything I go through, you know. So anyway, she come beside me. Me go for her, she come beside me. We there, I go on good. You know, so she can't work, she can't do nothing, every responsibility on me.
Right.
You understand? So me there with her and thing, and you know, some of the time she see me I come out of the house go work, she know I fall and everything. She cry and I say, oh, she well can't get the opportunity to go work for help because she see me as stress out and you know what I mean? I mean, I tell her, I say, no worry yourself, man. I say, I didn't know so this I go up me, you know, because I know so you're not going to work and you say it's not a place where you can find no on that table top, you see me?
Right.
So you have to just hold off. Me don't prepare for that already. You see me? Anyway, mother come, me meet her mother, same place as her in my house. She's still not work and me still alone at work, you know. You understand me, I say?
Yeah.
So, all right, but before me get the mother part, me married her. As me tell her, say she come, me deal with the married part, and me married her. Me put in papers, say she and her daughter. You understand me, Ja?
Yeah.
Say, I send money go back a yard for the daughter look board. So the immigration then call me. We send money go back down there for she look board, so she look board. We hope you me look board for her same way. You see me?
Good step further. Go on,
so I just meet a galang all the way, you know. You understand me, I say? So anyway, you know, bam. I got paper get through last year. Just last year, you know, November, me get the PR for her. Me carry con girl, she jump on me. She laugh, she kiss me that time her mother there, so sit down and look on her. Saying? Alright, no. Bam. December, you know. Remember, so she get the PR November, between November to December, you know. December now, me if you go to Jamaica. Me say, all right, me now go to Jamaica, you know. Me go make you go to Jamaica because you go just pick up your daughter.
Right.
So me just me book the flight for her to go to Jamaica. And when they know they will book the 2 flights down for them come back up.
Right.
So she go spend Christmas and everything down there, see? Grand Market. She said she had to take picture and whatever phone Japan broke. And if I shoot her alive, I have to take what she tell me. You understand? Brand new phone on my bike here for go down, you know. Brand new, big, what you call it, Samsung S20, them time, yeah. So, all right, anyway, she go down and she come back up with her daughter. All right, that's what things changing, Papa.
I mean, things change.
So me say things make a turn right there, so like, no respect, not there for me again.
What comes? I understand.
Because the daughter come, and it's just a different influence now me I get. This woman, this is my wife. She come, I don't know if she did have that sickness before she reached beside me. Or beside me, she come develop it. But it's not long after she come beside me. She have like hernia, cyst, 2 type of something in her belly way. When Pina lick that lady, me I tell her, say, I'll work, me have to run from, come save her. Them time, me have to spend the money, cash, she have nothing, she have no health care, nothing at all yet. So me have to run from work, me have to give up everything. That's when she do this surgery. If this a baby, I couldn't talk to you. But they are like baby or daughter there, you know, and no care, nothing about her, you know. But they are like baby with her, you know, every cup of tea she want, anything she want, and me, you know. Right? She look at me and tell me, say, me know say you're a real man. And that she look for me and tell me, she look for me and say, yeah, I want real man, I never know. Anytime I get better, I go fix things in the house because her daughter rank and face, brother. Which me never know. So me hear them attack down a yard, say she not no manners and stuff. But me I say, she not go deal with me certain way. You understand
so
me?
she had how much at the time when she reach over there?
18.
Yo,
18.
18.
She turned 9.
Okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
Brother, let me tell you this, I can't talk to my wife again, and she get better, I'm me, so she get better, me,
Me gone.
From this data come up the 29th at December. Me say the whole things turn up, make a turn, my brother. My sister used to help my wife like do certain little things. Cause my sister them love her, you understand me?
Right.
So the little thing she called my sister and Ray. You see, when the daughter come, she don't remember say me have one sister again. Everything the daughter, everything is all about the daughter now. Not even food me start get again. If me talk about food, I be a cousin in the house. This friend get the papers. This friend get the papers. At 2 times she call cops for me, then. 2 times I move out. She move out the first time and come back. I ask the parents, she call the cops again and take out restraining order against me. See paper them write so tomorrow me I go to court.
What the hell? So well, when she
liquor,
liquor, so when she take out restraining order upon you, that means say for the end of the said place where she there, as in no your
and
place.
She move out. She left me in her, but she move out.
Oh, she move out. So if you follow her or call her or gun here.
Or call her or anything like that.
Okay.
Remember,
Oh, me think so you left it. Think you left it house. Okay.
I get you come here.
Yeah.
You drop out resume all over Canada. Nobody now call you. Me step to my boss and say, my boss, Ray. And my boss said, bring her come. Bam, my wife get work. Right? Me step to my boss again. Bam, daughter get work. See? So right, I live for African youth that tell me about a class. And he must have me check it out because the class teach them, like, give them idea, like them have no experience in a working and stuff in a certain fields, So that class they help them. Me drive with them, go out of it. Me never have a car, but we take taxi. And me carry 2 of them out there, sign them up, make them go a class, So them are earn money, and them are earn money from the class because they get $900 from the class every 2 weeks.
Oh, nice.
And them I get paid from the and me. I do all of them for them,
So when they get them money, them help with the bills in the house though, right?
Help with these bills. You know hear me say? No bills not help with no.
So well on them I go school and hustle and all of them money go back. What? They must save them money.
Me ask about helping our bills and it costs a war in ya.
Jesus God in heaven.
Me ask about helping our bills. Me ask. And when me ask, me no go to the daughter and me go to my wife. And me say she go talk to the daughter. Me ask her, my friend say she no come back to send up to me. See? So the man, I go tell her no. And then I come in from work. Remember my wife there. She at work, but she did there. She come in at the time and there. You see me? She and her daughter in there. So me call her, me call her at work and I say, yeah, cook. And she not feel right. I say, no. She not feel right, and she cook. You see me? I say? Come in, we find something, or we get something to eat or something. So when I step in at the house and thing, I think say, wife, you go greet me. I think say, wife, you go say, well, you're hungry. After you get a show and thing, I think say, lady, I go say, you know hungry, you know want something. See? Me waiting at the house, she didn't ask me no question, so I look on her and I say, you're cool, You come in from work, And you're not even ask me if I want a cup of tea.
Or was it there?
Me let me say me not cook. And that's how she start behaving, So me say, no say you not cook. But at least you could have looked for me and asked me if I want a cup of tea. So I hold them in the house for me and you,
She not ask you, was it there or not like that?
I like them thing them, man. Them thing I want. And I them thing them I get from her because me not ask for nothing more from her, more respect. And show me some love, because that me tell her from Jamaica, so me want, Me have witnessed upon top of witness people when know my relationship in and out, then. You understand what I say?
So when they hear this, then can back up here and say, show him a talk. A good youth.
All of them, man. Everybody, man, can tell us. Me left my house, so me have bill. Me put it on pause. Ask anybody up in a St. Catherine can tell us, yo, That man buy a load of sand again from the meet this a girl. Like, make sure say man in Pitney get you and reach a Canada.
Wow.
Not even a gravel me no buy pan that again. And she tell me say she come help me.
Oh God.
She tell me say she come help me to fulfill all of that. Brother, not even 1 week can pass and me and this man have in an argument and war. Because them are earn money now and they want to go. Me can't talk to me, man. She want to live a life of you're single, you know, single woman.
She want go bad man and also with her body and
you want to live a life of single.
No,
you're married, you know, and say you are go to church and that hurt me, you know, you say I go to church every night, you cock up your backside in there, so say you pray. And the evil is the way I do to me.
Church.
You know, see, you know, all right, me have a sister who love her like, whoa. Me have a cousin where my cousin know the relationship because from me meet her, and that the cousin encourage me to talk to her back. You see me?
Yeah.
So, she said me I threaten her. She said that the first time she called police, you know, she said me I threaten her. Yes, me talk some words of truth because you make me get mad.
You're hurt, man, you're hurt. Mother talk, he said thing to him to uncle. Go and talk. Nothing wrong with what you say.
See? So, me get mad upon them. See? So, bam, them call cops for me.
When I said them, it two of them together?
Because anything the mother said, the daughter say, anything the daughter said, the mother say, anything I'm in the house with me and the mother, I'll if the daughter not there, as she come, the mother tell her.
How can I like
even
this?
If me I look loving from my wife, and she decides she not give me the night, and she fly out of the bed and say, as the morning come, she go tell the daughter.
Okay. Oh.
You understand what I say?
Right.
So, at them waiting on, so, everything on, then she start keep on that secret. You see if my wife see me I come down and I use her phone, she talk to who she talk to. She hide her phone, she put password on it on. If me make a mistake and find out the password, bam, that a change. Right away that a change. And me to say people talk to her until I say, you can't do them things that you put fear in the man, you make the man not trust you. See? She said everything she do, me have a problem with it. See? Me say rules that in a friend is a married woman, you know, you must have rules. There are things that me not go like and there are things that you not go like.
Rules and regulation is a part of a building a home. That is true.
You see me?
Right.
I go like things where me no like, and me I go like things where you no like. But you see me work my money and buy my garments and when me want to see you in her. Me not I don't try, you know, me buy 3 set of panties, 3 different set of jars. You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
Me give brawling same like that. Me buy one for when she see her rare. I can't wear in a yard. Me buy one for anytime you go to work or where you want to go. Me buy my bed set differently.
Right.
Me find some me can't talk to her again. Me find some there's nothing in the world me can't talk to her about again.
Okay.
You see me? And it daughter worse. Because her daughter said to reach up and the mother just a different her and the mother know she stay, you know. The mother know how she stay because of the same child when me still in the house and she can't go to Jamaica because of how she bad. See? You see, forget that me go back there so now. You see when the farm full out for the passport, our father was there. The farm full out for the passport, all the daddy have to do is sign it and the daddy go back to US and don't sign it. Me have to tell the mother, say, use the one where you got without the father name and it use and get you. You understand me?
Wow.
Yeah, brother, I say right now, I tell you the first part of the moving out to the police, me go back there, so. The first part, that's what I did reach, I made have to turn back down, so you see me?
Yeah, what forward I know.
So the first part, now, when she not call my cousin, she not call my sister, you know. She won't go to the police then. When she go to the police, my little sister call and said, me call her, me talk to her there. And me call her and said, my sister want to talk to you, you know. She said, tell your sister, say, I'm very sorry. I see him, so she turned to me and said, tell your sister, I'm very sorry. And she head straight over there. But that one never so bad because she come with them and, well, no charge her, no really lay still, but, you know what I mean? She move out. You know what I mean?
So she and her daughter gone left you now for good?
Yeah, man, two of them gone. Two of them move out.
And then the call back. It then just plan. So it's a premeditated thing then, basically.
All right.
From Jamaica.
So all right. Get back. and attack again. Because remember say we work at the same place, you know.
What do you mean get back and attack again? What you right say that?
We work back at the same place. So we start talk again. Me and my wife start talk.
So this would be the third or second time?
After she move out, we start talk again and me accept her back to come back. You understand what I say?
That is the third time or the second time?
The second time now.
Second time.
The first time when she move out, me accept her back for she come back. She moving back, she and the child.
So when they're moving back, I ask you something as a man. You make them just move in, you never say to them, so you can move in. You beg them for moving back then, basically.
Yeah, we talk and we say, yeah, she want to come back. And
So,
say, yeah,
so once she, yeah man, she go come back and remember, so over then country they have to pay rent and bills. Don't make it, don't make it fool you. So you know, tell her if you come back, so you never put in things in place and say, listen, you have to start pay bills. But true, I beg them to come back, you want them come back and live his said life. Me wrong or am I right?
No, you're kind of wrong there, sir.
Where you tell them,
you're kind of wrong, sir. When they come back now, the bills not have to work out because the daughter still never did her work yet. But the mother did just get a job. As we tell us, we bring her to my boss. So when my wife just get the job now, all right, so the operation come.
That is the second time, sir?
Yeah, the second time. So my thinking is that true she get the call for the operation, that's why she come back. Because she knows she's going to need help. That's how we have to figure out it after now, you know. So she come back true, she get the call to go do the operation. So when she get the operation, you know, say, a bad thing that you can't move. You see me? So and me did it with her straight through until she get back better and go back go start work now and start go back at class now and everything now. So she start hold money from class now and start hold money from work and her daughter start hold money from class and from work now. So them I look on it now and I said, them no need this money again. That's the only thing we can say because when she come back in, I said to her, I said, watch her, I chew with her, you know. If we even pay 4 bills, because I 12 bills for the rent. If you pay 4, I pay 4 and the data pay 4, but we not go take 4 from the data. You understand? Me I go pay like 1 8 and between and the data pay the next 4. You see me?
Right.
And the light bill and the internet, I'm still going to respond, I'm still going to pay them there. You see me? So I do have to do now, put together now and we go buy some food. You know, so reasonable. That's
more than reasonable, and can save and send back the money come.
The first time I look and tell him, I say, yo, you sick, you know. You know, do nothing, you know, start back and get your daughter. Tell your daughter, if you help me out with $300 for make up to pay the rent. You know, so that cause an argument.
You want to cause argument?
An argument, you know, I remember say the daughter now buy food. I just did $300 me ask her for you.
But when I say, you make it cause, or you cause if you make a reach argument, cause you see, second time when you take them back, as a real G, you should have put on your foot there and make them know, say, Ray.
Put it on, you know, but as me explain and tell her, say, when my wife come back, remember say, you know, she wasn't working.
Me not talk she, man. Me talk your daughter a big girl now, man, and your daughter have no man.
Your daughter start work after me bring them in back the second time, you know.
Right.
When we bring them in back the second time, at that time, I go back, because she in the house, and it's boring in the house. So I say, boy, I have to figure out a way to get this girl out of the house. You understand me? So I go back to my boss again, and my boss take her. So she start work too. So the second pay bill that she did get now, when I say, yo, I need a makeup because I'm alone and your mother now work again and raise. You see me? So I just saw the argument come in. So the second month now, when 2 of them now for help me now, a bigger issue now. And when I look at my mother and I say, all right, I say, give me XYZ. And I ask my wife, say, how much you not going to give me for help me make up the rent? And I ask her, I say, how much you not going to give me? How much you not think of give me? I don't get an answer. So I walk. So I say, you not answer me. I ask her, just tell me how much you not give me for make up the rent now. So she step out of the room and she go there, so go sit down side of that. I don't hear one thing with them, I say, because them a whisper. See? So when I go out there again, I say, you still not tell me how much you not give me, because I tell you how much I got, you know, I say I have $900. When you just tell me how much you can give me, man. See? She says she have $140. She says she have 240. She give me the 240. She give me the 240. See? The daughter say she go put $300 or whatever. So me say, all right, that me want hear. But me do for my wife and say, all right, me got my $900, me have to spend the whole of my $900. That means to say me have to broke like that. You only got $240 and you save 40. Me have to save back 100 out of my 9. You understand me wrong, sir?
Right, yeah, sound reasonably in a sense, yeah.
You see when me say me have to save back 100 out of my 9, if you hear how my wife deal with being at the house, it's a surprise. It come like a she can come here and me bring her come here. No form of respect, my brother. Like, no respect, Me can't tell you the words and what she say and how she behave, because me don't know how to tell you,
What make you keep on and nagging her about how much them a pay for the rent? Why you never just say it one time and just watch what them a do for
because she
you?
not come back to me with an answer. She not, me say it to her. Remember, me say it like 1, 2, 3 days back. She not say nothing to me much days that and you know say nothing. Me just want to know because me know say me have $900. Me don't want to spend $100 out of it and then me can't pay the rent because me don't know much and give me. You understand what I'm saying?
You could have deal with it this so different. You could have just tell yourself say I got to take back $100 instead of talking it make them hear. Because you don't have to make them know.
And to be honest, God truth. I let everybody tell me because you
yeah, me I listen as a man, more do even tell no woman say me I go see about 100. Me just do me thing because me are the man. You know?
Maybe you will burn me out on that. But yes, when it comes to straightness, me just straight with my wife. If me work $500, me come in, me say, wife, you have $500, me make it now. If me anything at all, everything at all, me put her name in, me put her name there, so put her name there, so say if anything happen to me, wifey, that or that, Me no hide nothing from her. Me I tell her.
And that's how it's supposed to be as married couple. Nothing wrong with that, and G. But the problem is now, you sound like a real G. If a story where you say 100% factual, you sound like a good man. Which enough woman would have glad to have a man like that. But then come in and.
I don't want to tell a lie, I not tell none.
No, I know, but sometimes people hear a story and they may say, oh, she go to hear the story and say, I lie my tell, I lie my blood. Make a boy go. Let me tell him stay mix up, but you understand? So so my channel stay on it.
Me I tell you because at that
then suppose you come and talk a different story from where you say now. So you're nagging, you're this.
Me no business what you want to talk say. Me just know say.
Okay.
Me I tell you my side of the story. Me I tell you what me do for her and the treatment when me I get. Me don't think me deserve it, and if all of my people know say me not deserve it neither too. And fear people know say me not deserve it neither. My woman have no softness, like you think that come side of me and say, babes, what go on, you alright. She not deal with them thing there, brother.
So you never see the side of her before, like
Never. Her sister beg her.
Okay.
Uncle roughness, me have to ask her if I saw she go, if I saw she see her mother live with her daddy.
She not like you, man. She not want you. You make her skin scratch her. Yeah, man, you make her skin scratch her, man.
Even my cousin them tell me that.
She not like.
You know what I mean? This is the second time she called police. Me and her don't have nothing, like absolutely nothing, I just take up a tea with me ask her for the night,
She can't stand you.
And she go the morning, She go to class the morning, and me I talk to her, and she every time I talk to her, she have a thing where I walk with. So me stand up in the way and I say, no, man, me I talk to you, man. You must can listen when me I say to you, because me turn up and me listen what you say to me. See, so me stand and if you ever make your boss left me at the last of the relationship, and me I say, but me can't understand it. You for just hear what me I say. You talk and me turn up and listen to you, and me I go say something to you, and every time I go say something to you, come like, it's judgment, you call down for me. Me don't fit talk to you, but you said the word already. Me not have to say she just don't look me, and everybody look for me and tell me that because you know why? We set up a fake page for her. Because you see, second time when she came go to court, remember say she took out the restraining order the second time now.
But you're more I do not getting at the court part. Just leave the court part out tight.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, okay.
Yeah.
Well, at the time there, when me tell her say me not do nothing.
Right.
And me lie down in my city car, them gone a class, and me lie down in my city car, and me there from work, and me there watch TV and sit. But me hear my phone ring. I dem man there. I call me and ask me, say me this and me that and me that with that. And me I say, but I wouldn't get me. I say, me like no serious or a joke when I make her. I say, yeah, you at home? And I say, yeah, me there home. And they say, them come check me and sitting. So them come chat to me in my place, see?
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like for real, like, it's just like me shocked. And I say, what me do? Like, you know me look and I say, then what me do? Like, what me do? Where this for? You know what I mean? But I left them one left, because they realize, say, the rent money where them are going to pay me, where them are going to make up and pay me, then can go to government place and pay $300 on them and then go and live. You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
So if you get the government place, you have to call the law.
Oh, I understand it.
So then call the law upon me, and the man then talk and gone. When me take a stock and things everything done, me you want next call again. This order you come beside, I come to you. I said, Jesus Christ, God Almighty. What is family with God Almighty? Eh? The second call me get at them, they do at them come move out everything out of this, everything out of the house.
Or bring you which part she there?
Then strip me down and gone, my laptop, everything, man, everything gone.
Okay. Oh.
Everything she take out, man, like take out everything, you know. Like only bed, see, only bed there, and my shoes them.
Okay.
You understand me?
Someone say something. Come here, I want to finalize up now. I want to say something now. So, why you have to tell us, why you did have to come to Jamaica if you look for a woman? No, woman, they could find a nice woman look at Canada where you could have known so she not look no papers and...
Very good question, you know, boy.
Why you have to left come all over the waters for a woman?
Me are the honest man, now we are going to tell you the truth. He come here, me just tell myself, say, watch out. In my thinking, me say, me I go try create my woman, like, me I go try build my woman. You know, when you understand what I say? It's like, we been through two relationships, and the two relationships are because of man. You see me? And because of man, maybe every mother run Ghana, US, and she not come back. See? The next one we find in Canada, when me tell her somebody find in Canada, is a still Jamaican woman. She throw me out of the apartment, my own apartment where I pay for. Me lose my bed, me lose my TV, me lose every God Almighty thing there. So
why she throw you out? Why she throw you out?
That the time there? Then I tell her the same paperwork.
Oh, the paperwork. Okay.
She hold on me. If she not get through, because
you did get in that. I get in it again. Yeah, I just sometimes I not memorize when it's a first.
Yeah, man. So I see them paperwork, and when the parents them get through, them do them thing.
And this,
just to get the involved.
Why? One thing I learn with people, when you come on to foreign to write it, then change like green lizard. I was about foreign. I was about over there. With people that do anything for
Remember, for me, woman look for me and tell me, say, I'm dropping a big city, you know. A woman, a country, bring her from that side. That's you remember talking, say, you know, if you bring country like, you know, if you bring country come at town. Because when they come and see things that they never see before. My brother, you see from them fine, so they can monitor them. Me say, me dry, you know. When me tell us, me dry, you know. Me credit card, everything. I 2 times I have to book a flight to my wife and him in a airport, you know. Because they make a plane left them at airport and them have to go back home and I have to rebook the flight again, you know.
You brought this woman bad from Jamaica, no, bro. When you say woman, someone come to for America, you should make human be independent. You take up responsibility, spend, and she not spend nothing, or buy this, buy phone, buy everything, pay bills.
Me take it because you say, you know you're there and you say, we are going to help. And you say, yes, me trying to see you get a job because I know so when you get a job, it will go better because I told you I work. I work, never do in my life.
Look, I can just start watching my story them because from them pattern there.
I watch your story a couple of times, man. I'm going to tell you something too. Me, I watch your story and I tell her, I say, come look what happened in Canada, look what happened in a place. And she ignore me and tell me, so she don't want to ask them something. Because she look at that she have in her mind.
She know that she have in her mind. And I see said thing that, yeah, watch me and I...
She look
hold on, yeah, watch MIXUP boss and see they know you're there on MIXUP boss. Can you believe that? Eh?
See, she tell her daddy and her mother say, anyway, then see me a call. Them not fit answer me. No, as a big woman and a big man. And a situation I go on between you and the daughter. Me call them sometime in the first half and used to get them and I tell them, so them daughter are behaving and them daughter not behave good enough. I call people and talk to people in that.
Right.
Me and her, you know, sit down and talk to people. And I like me just I tell you things. Me have millions of people over here, so no. Everybody vexes me because I'm a wife, you know.
Okay.
My sister, them not talk to me because I'm a wife. My friend, them over here. Nobody because what them see she do to me, I still accept it.
And this I think now, she make it bad for most Jamaican woman now a man. Because when a woman they are foreign now and things say, then whether can help and fellow brother to come better in life. Them I think twice. Both man and woman. You know what I mean? So it set away, bro.
Call my wife and my wife. Not about it. Me call her and say, all right, me and her say sitting and it's like you hang up and you know remember if I say this to her and you bring her back. Hey, you come like say me even know how to put it to you, brother.
You nah get her back. Phone does a ring out for you all day. Yeah? Nah get her back.
You ring the phone and watch her, she take it from her ears and look on me and say me and put it back her ears and I continue to chat. So I go down on her and me I say, you see what you deal with me? You take the phone from your ears and look and see me, you know, and put it back at your ears, you know, and I chat to you. Me say that person value more than me. That phone the way I talk to and me I pay the bill for it, you know. And me buy the phone for you and I pay the bill for it and you know answer me. Which part of the respect there for me? With the respect there, with the respect for you have for me there, and see that you have me in a courthouse, with the respect. If I some people, if I some man, you couldn't play with them then type of way, and you know that. Me too easy and me too simple. And me say right now, my family they want to eat you like that. I mean, I'm just telling you, so me not depend on the type of life. You know that. And you ask me, brother, she get out, then call her. Tell she stop and stop. Brother, everybody feel it, you know, because them say, me know that I do what I have to do, you know, and she can't buck up and a man to do this with her, you know.
Why all of them women over here this a story?
She should give me back money. If I have some money, me broke like dog, you know, brother. I tell you, you know.
You broke now?
I broke like dog and them have money right now. Me say me broke like dog and my credit card. I know me owe my credit card.
Oh, God. Oh.
And I see every teacher and our child, everything spend out pan. No, me I come hear about daddy. Me I come hear so daddy I go take data.
Oh, damn. Oh. Damn.
You know, see it. So all I want me spend, it no count. It no. Me say, you know, much time I say.
You're not getting no kids. You're not getting no kids.
One, you know, and mother, me tell you, say mother gone to US and me no hear back from them.
Oh, you know you're back from. Come in and say if you're not a picnic.
The longest and the best woman that me ever did with her, I don't know why she just took her. So she have a sister who influence her still, you know.
Me I say, oh, you just spend money on people pitney and stranger and want to pitney, but me understand now. So it's like.
Me boy.
I know star brother. So oh you take it. You take it because you sound like you go on like a counseling man.
Right now, brother, me look on you tell you God Almighty truth, you know. Me tell you God Almighty truth. Food in the house, me no short of food. But me no, it come like another message that me want to see. Right now, me that time I work for you all day and just I work and it come like another problem to me because my brain come like in there. You know much time I walk in the road and vehicle, I ride my bicycle in the road and vehicle for job work because it come like, I mean, I realize it's stop light up on green. Pan ready?
Yeah, man. I know where you attack. That reach me too. Okay.
That's the thing that I'm ready to because it can like me last. At the first, me hear people talk about Jamaican woman, you know, you, but me I tell you, you know, that when I tap in on my head, my forehead, my face, and she see. And she go on like she no see. And me I tell her, so we create a, me run through this now, we create a fake page. So me know she rape my cousin. We create a fake page. And me I look on you and I tell her, say, I laugh, me have to laugh, because I say, yo, you know, she say she no rate you. You see the same thing like when me that ask her and she get mad for me because we that ask her and she and time so sweet. See? Tell her when I tell me because I say, yo, you forgive me them energy where you give me, you know. Because them energy where you show me and your husband want it. Can you show me some energy like you want it with? You understand what I say?
She no business.
You send a little emoji thing and tell me I say, me and the man talk and we say, yo, test him for the pum business. You know what I mean? And the man go try the argument and she no send the pum but him tell the man to send the cocky, say man, send a fake cocky to her. See me? So the lavish, she lavish pan it and I say, oh, if she say, I could have fake, you know, she say, I fake in my boots and I say, no, man, I'm not fake, I'm a real shit, this man, you see me? I say, boy, I fake and if I really fear this, oh my God, and you know what I mean? Man, I say, you see, I see what I tell her, say, if you left him no man, you know.
I say, she talk to your cousin, man.
And the same wife that, and I go tell my cousin, say, if him come here, if him come look for me, and he want to see my man in can go a park and then sit there. So me I say, you see, at the same moment that you say no one, man, you know.
Man, then I rate a man. Man, they take every
No,
fool.
man, enough. Me say, when me I talk to her, she text my cousin like everything my cousin say, but. It may take no time to reply. And me, when I call on her phone from now till judgment, me not get an answer. Nobody look for your answer. Tell when she feel like answer it. And you see when she answer it, and me go say something wrong. Me don't talk. Me got. I hang up phone. Nobody call again because you get.
Well, this should be a valid lesson for some of we as man. Don't force water uphill. And that,
don't force water. Right now, me I tell you, brother.
And that
me tell you, me I tell you, me I lie to you, brother. Me smoke my home, me eat because she stress me out. Then me I tell you, me get white fast to blood.
Okay.
Every year that me get white. I'll 3 jobs me do, you know. 3 jobs, you know, then to make sure that she and I pick you right, you know, brother.
Yeah. That's how you go, man. But, you know, I have to cut the yes or no, 45 minutes, so that gone out normally. Wow, what a journey, what a ride. Well, if she hear the story, I want to come say something about boy. I don't have nothing to say, 'cause I remember I cover these stories, so I know the pattern and know everything. People use people for reach them want. But I feel this lady never like him. This lady never like him. Something about him she not like, and she just play him. And you broke her bad from she to Jamaica, and this bag of spending unnecessary money. Then, if you broke her so bad at Jamaica, you think she gonna come up and change, even though she tell her say she gonna come work and so. Not gonna make a difference. But, lady, if you hear the story and you have it yours, say. If nobody know about it, you just link up 8762773254. I don't have nothing to say. Wanna be the judge, right? Put it in a comment. Then a good man can't get a good man, and good man can't get a good man. But are we good man and are we good man? As well we come and portray. Anyway, big up on yourself. Put in a comment. I'm gone. Oh, may I come live now, yeah? When you check out the live on my channel, guys, entertaining single people, link up everything. Alright, I'm gone. I'm out.